In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Mobirise website as zip. Exporting your Mobirise project as a zip file is a great way to back up your site, share it with a teammate, or upload it to a hosting provider that accepts static files. The zip will include your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all your assets in one tidy package, ready to deploy. First, open your browser and go to the Mobirise online login page. This is the web version of Mobirise where you can access your projects from anywhere. On the login screen, choose Sign In with Google. This lets you connect quickly without creating a separate password. If you see a list of Google accounts, click the one you want to use for Mobirise and complete the sign-in prompt. Once you're in, your Mobirise dashboard will load. Open the project you want to export if it isn't already selected. Now look for the Publish button, typically located near the top right of the interface. Click it to open the Publishing Options panel. This panel is where Mobirise lets you choose how you want to publish your site. In the Publishing options, select Download in .zip. This tells Mobirise to bundle your entire website into a single zip file. It's especially useful if you plan to host the site on a standard web server or want a clean copy for safekeeping. You don't need to change any advanced settings for a straightforward export. The default structure works well for most setups. After choosing Download in .zip, click Publish to start the process. Depending on your account and plan, you may see a prompt indicating that this feature requires an upgrade. If that appears, follow the on-screen guidance to review plan options. If your plan already includes it, Mobirise will process your site and prepare the zip. When the export is complete, your browser will begin downloading the file. The file name usually reflects your project name, and it will land in your default Downloads folder. The zip contains all the pages and assets exactly as your site uses them, so it's ready to upload to a hosting provider or store as a backup. If you ever need to verify the contents, you can open the zip to see the folders for assets like images and scripts. That's all there is to it. You've signed in, opened the Publish panel, chosen Download in .zip, and confirmed by clicking Publish. Now you have a portable, ready-to-host version of your Mobirise website. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you update your site and want a fresh export.